I was out doing my errands and I wanted to stop by the Dollar Tree to see what nails they had. It can be a hit or miss, but today they had some really cute sets. LA Colors had so many cute colors and shapes. I really like these black and red nails. I might just have to put them in my cart. Look at all of these colorful designs. Oh wow, these are really cute. I have really been getting into animal prints. I wish I could take one of each. I really like these with the color tips, but the main part of the nails are pretty see-through, so you need longer real nails so it looks right. These colors will be great for summertime. I love these blue ones and they are even glow in the dark. This pink is gorgeous. These are a must-have. I couldn't resist the blue ones. The marble effect on these pink nails made them a must-have. You know I had to get the animal print. I had to get the black and dark red nails too. How can you not get all of these nails you love when they're only $1?